Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And yes, DW has struck again, you all. Welcome to another video to Huck's World. Stay tuned. Let's check this watch face out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, DW has did it again. I'm liking to look at this watch face. I like that he always steps outside of the box. This is new, a different design. The name of the watch face is called DW22. Now in always on mode, I really like the look because of the way that the info is laid out in the always on mode. Now, when the watch face is on, you're pretty much going to get an analog look. You're going to get Roman numerals for your time, and you're going to get a nice layout so far as your step status info. Now, if you look to the right of the slant, you're going to get your heart rate info. You're also going to get to the left your battery info. You come down, you got your step status info as well, and right here you get your day and your date. I really like the layout and the look of this watch face. I thought DW went over and beyond with this one, and it is interactive, so you can just simply single tap, and I love the single tap. Right, just single tap on it. You can go deeper into getting your info for your step status, calories burned. Same thing for this one. Get your calendar, set an event, things of that nature. So truly, I'm liking the look. I'm liking what DW has done with this watch face, right? But what I like most of all is the colors. Check this out. I'm gonna double tap. You got so many different colors. I mean, plenty. He done dished out quite a bit of nice looking colors, combinations, and he has some solid ones as well. I'm thinking that DW definitely did his thing. What do you think, guys? Did DW get down? I think so. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope your Monday grind is going smooth at this moment. And if it is, hit the like button on the way out. And if it's not, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Keep grinding.